Acute pulmonary embolism and coronary artery disease are two common conditions, and CAD is the single most common cause of death worldwide. Although primary PCI is the preferred reperfusion strategy in patients with STEMI, thrombolytic therapy is recommended if primary PCI cannot be performed within 120 minutes or within 90 minutes in patients presenting in less than 2 hours with a larger infarct. Similarly, thrombolytic therapy has been shown to be effective for patients with pulmonary embolism with hemodynamic failure, and it's also beneficial for some patients with intermediate risk pulmonary embolism. Available evidence suggests that weight adjusted tenecteplase is associated with a reduced risk of major bleeding and similarly 30-day mortality compared to TPA in patients with acute myocardial infarction. Tenecteplase also appears to induce recanalization more rapidly than alteplase, and thrombolysis initiated early after the onset of symptoms is associated with remarkable low mortality. Compared with alteplase, no domain is missing in tenecteplase as its fibrin selectivity is relatively high. Fibrin specificity in turn implies a reduced propensity for causing less major non-cerebral bleeds. It is resistant to PI1 80 times compared to alteplase. Following administration of 30, 40 or 50 mg of tenecteplase, there are decreases in circulating fibrinogen 4% to 15% and plasminogen 11 to 24%. With a single bolus dose administered over 5 seconds, a TIMI reflow grade 3 at 90 minutes is seen in more than 60% of cases. It is the only thrombolytic which is administered in a weight adjusted dosage, thereby ensuring maximum risk benefit ratio. Since risk of intracranial hemorrhage increases in the elderly, weight adjusted regimens of tenecteplase are beneficial. Recommended total dose should not exceed 50 mg. Tenecteplase may be recommended for high risk patients of acute MI who have the potential for a large therapeutic benefit, patient presenting in less than 6 hours, having age less than 75 years and it associated with anti-wall MI, bundle branch related myocardial infarct, poor prognostic in favor MI that is associated with right ventricular involvement, anterior reciprocal ST depressions or lateral and posterior extension. Available evidence suggests that weight adjusted tenecteplase is superior to weight adjusted alteplase in terms of safety and low risk of major bleeding.